So what we're going to do in this slow cooker, crock pot, whatever you want to call it, I'm going to take, and I didn't measure this, but what would you say that is? Half a cup?
Yeah, at least half a cup.
Probably half a cup of soy. You can get the less salt if you like. Both of these have less salt. This is just plain old chicken broth, and I'd say maybe just a little bit more of that. Well, the first things we're going to do,
Gotta have that pepper.
gotta have our Tellicherry pepper. So we're going to come on in with that right up top. Now we got plenty of salt in here. We don't need to put any more salt in there.
Good start.
Two things that we're going to do with this is a little ginger paste, or a lot.
I like ginger. It's good for you.
You like ginger a lot.
It's really good for you.
It is good for you. And a little garlic paste. This is just to make life easier. You can press it. You can do what you want there. Already we got a smell going. What else am I going to put in here?
What?
I'm going to put a little bit of honey, but I'm going to also put just a little bit of brown sugar along with the honey. Not a lot.
Goes good with pork.
It just does. It just does. I was thinking about leaving it out, but
Gotta
it would
have
just be sad not to have it in there. Oyster sauce.
Oh, that is good. Love oyster sauce.
And I'm putting probably, what would you call that? Tablespoon and a half?
Yeah, at least a tablespoon and a half.
All right, so now I'm going to do one more thing. Take my pork out here. Now that's plenty for 4 people, or 3 tonight in our case. Now if you would like to put some more complex salts and seasonings in there, pick your favorite all-purpose seasoning that you might want to put on there. I mixed this up a long time ago. I can't even remember what's in it.
All the
I think I
favorites.
smell a little paprika in there and some garlic, a little bit of onion.
All your favorites.
All my favorites. I might have a little bit of celery seed in here too.
And you know, when you buy these loins, they always come in like twin packs, don't they?
Yes.
So it looks like one,
Most
but
of the time.
yeah.
So a lot of times you think it's going to be one,
Right.
it's 2. So I'm just going to season that and then
Yummy.
lay this in here as such, that side down, and then put a little more seasoning on there. You want to eat it now or you want to cook it?
I'll let you eat it now. I'll wait. You go ahead and try it.
As we know, over the years, the temperature for pork has gone down, fresh pork. I remember it used to be in the 150s,
Right.
160s. Now they're saying 145, but this is probably going to get up to the 150, 155 range for us. So we're plenty safe there.
I look forward to smelling this cooking.
Oh,
Does it smell like cooking?
so we're going to hook this up on low till we reach that temperature. Now, being that these are smaller, they're not the big thick one, I'm saying probably 4 or 5 hours, start checking it. Start checking it probably at 4
Yeah.
to see where you're at. You don't want to get it too done. Now let's plug this up along this wall over there, and we'll be right back. Okay, Nikki, if you will, bring that board over. We're going to let this pork rest. We're at sufficient temperature.
Oh, wow.
That's
Perfect.
what I'm talking
Beautiful.
about. Let me get both of them out.
Might as well. Let's eat it up.
Look at that. All right, let's let that rest for a minute. Now we're going to take our au jus. Oh, do you smell that?
I do. I can't wait to taste that, too.
All right,
Good?
let's bring that over. Now, if you notice, I'm using a bread knife here, so I won't tear the meat apart because that meat's been cooking quite some time. Now, we could take Raoul's butter flour trick, or we could just do a little slurry. Let's just do the slurry.
I think it's a good idea.
For this. Put that in, let's stir it around. Let that thicken up. Now, this, a lot of people want their pork done. That's too done for me. I almost like seeing a little bit of pink in it. But
It looks
I know lots of
amazing.
people like their pork done. I know where you're going for. I thought you would go for the macaroni and cheese.
I would, but I would really want to try your pork. That's really good.
All right, where are we at here? Oh,
That, I could just eat your gravy, too. That's really good. Very good. Excellent.
now one thing I did at the end, I cheated just a little bit. Did you see me put some more of that French onion?
That's not cheating.
Seasoning in there?
You told us.
That's on point.